You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Pretty breezy day today. This is a look in Redding, very evident by looking in the treetops that the wind was blowing.
Yes, plenty of sunshine out there as well. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff is tracking those conditions. Jason, I don't know if it's quite as windy anymore, but it certainly is warm out there.
Oh yeah, it's very warm for this time of year, over 20 degrees warmer than it should be, and we're going to have even more heat tomorrow, so prepare for that now. The wind has been fairly strong, the sunshine has been bright, and the temperatures have been warm. A live look at Lake Oroville. Thankfully, we're now up to a level that we haven't seen for about a year and a half. You can see the 154 feet from the top right now, but for the most part, we are still going to have the snow in the mountains, what's left, melting and raising it, but we need to have more water falling into our region. Look at this. Temperatures way warmer than they should be this time of year. Right now in Redding, 89 degrees. The average high this time of year is 69. It's 90 degrees in Chico, 71 degrees in Chester, 68 degrees in Mount Shasta, 83 degrees in Weaverville, and 88 degrees in Oroville. Look at Redding, 26 degrees warmer now than it was just 24 hours ago, but everybody between 9 and 26 degrees warmer than one day ago. Barely any cloud cover outside right now. We'll have a gradual increase in those clouds late tonight through early tomorrow, but still becoming just mostly clear by early in the morning, and we'll have a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky by late afternoon. Those are not rain or snow-bearing clouds, but we do have two storms moving our direction, and they will give us chances for, unfortunately, windy weather, but also at least a little bit of rain and snow. Now, the first storm is going to be too far to the north to give us any good chances for rain and snow, but we'll definitely feel the increase in that wind Friday and Saturday. That storm goes by the wayside. Then a second storm a little bit further to the south will give us a better chance for a little bit of rain, a little bit of mountain snow, and most of the rain, unfortunately, will also fall in the higher terrain, so we won't have much for the valley, but we'll also have more wind continuing Sunday into Monday. A third storm may get here 7 days from now. We're going to see if that one sticks together long enough to give us a chance for some rain and snow, but the amounts of rain still lacking. Not bad for April, but we would love to have more. Looking at one of our FUTURECAST models, you can see the valley less than 1/4 of an inch in most locations, the higher terrain less than an inch. I'm going to show you in the next half hour another forecast model, but we also have some more wind in the forecast. Good news about the next 24 hours or so, the wind will be weaker. However, when that first storm approaches our area, that wind is going to get stronger by Friday afternoon, and especially Friday night into Saturday. A lot of places with wind gusts in excess of 35 to 45 miles an hour. That will also raise our fire dangers, to keep that in mind. But the temperatures, once we get past Thursday, will really start to decrease. There's your forecast for tomorrow. Expecting temperatures back in the 80s for our northwestern mountains, well above average for the 7th day of April. Northeastern California, cool lows and very warm highs. Overnight lows in the 30s for the most part, but the highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s. For the ridge, 50s and lower 60s for lows. Highs in the 70s and lower to mid 80s by tomorrow afternoon. For the valley, we'll also have a mild night with weaker wind. Lows mainly in the lower to mid 50s. Highs tomorrow even higher than it was today. Mainly lower 90s. 92 degrees for Redding. Close to breaking a record, but not quite there. And for the Chico area, we'll also have lows tonight in the 50s. Highs tomorrow in the lower 90s, just like today, with weaker wind and plenty of sun. Next 7 days in Chico, we will have a cooling trend down to the lower 60s by Monday, but you'll notice so many windy days from Friday through Monday. There's a slight chance for showers Monday afternoon, but most of that rain and snow will fall in the mountains.
Thanks, Jason.